Hi, hello, namaste, and welcome to our channel. I would like to greet each and every one of you to our next lesson. Today, we are going to draw the roaming bird, a simple illustration of a cute bird ready to spread her wings and fly to the next experience, to the next world. This illustration is a very quick one. I hope you would take a pause in the video and try to recreate this drawing on your own. I hope you are liking this set of videos that I am going to upload every Wednesday, same place, same time. This is our honest opinion to help you, your family, your friends, your kids to draw something which is cute in nature and very simple to draw on. I will see you again next week. Till that time, keep drawing, keep practicing. Take care and happy painting.